Yuhuang Electronics Dongguan Co. was established in 1998. An industrial and trade enterprises integrating production, research and development, sales and service. It is mainly committed to the research and development and customization of non-standard hardware fasteners, as well as the production of various precision fasteners, such as GB, ANSI, DIN, GIS, ISO, etc. Yuhuang has two production bases. Dongguan Yuhuang covers an area of 8,000 square meters, and Lichang Yuhuang covers an area of 12,000 square meters. We have a professional service team, technical team, quality team, domestic and foreign business team, mature and perfect production chain and supply chain, automatic screw production workshop, gasket workshop, lathe workshop, nut workshop, stamping workshop. On the basis of high-quality production technology, it is equipped with strict quality control measures, equipped with optical separation workshop, full inspection workshop, and laboratory. The optical sorter can accurately detect the size and defects of screws, prevent mixing, and can inspect more than 600 screws per minute at the earliest, in order to ensure that the appearance of the product is absolutely flawless. The full inspection workshop conducts visual inspection of the product to ensure the uniformity of the product. The laboratory is equipped with a complete range of testing equipment: 1. Vickers hardness tester and Rockwell hardness tester, to ensure the hardness requirements of the product. 2. The torque meter is used to detect and record the torque value of each product, to ensure that the product meets the torque value required by customers. 3. The tensile machine is used to test the tensile strength of a material or product. 4. The refrigerator is used for hydrogen embrittlement test, to test whether the product is dehydrogenated and prevent the product from breaking. 5. X-ray fluorescence spectrometer, elemental analysis of products. It can also be measured for environmental protection. 6. We also have salt spray testing machine, metallographic inlay machine, metallographic cutting machine, constant temperature and humidity box, friction resistance testing machine, leakage prevention tester, two-dimensional, film thickness gauge, head percussion table, microtoil tool microscope, microtoil roughness meter, digital display micrometer, ring gauge, competition gauge, needle depth meter and other testing equipment. Each product has undergone strict testing to ensure that the product quality meets and exceeds customer expectations. Yuhuang has multi-station code heading machine, 2 mode 4, 3 mode 3, 3 mode 6, 4-point code heading machine, tooth rolling machine. Combined tooth rolling machine can make M1 to M16 screws. At the same time, there are gasket stamping machines and other equipment which can produce a variety of different gaskets, spring washer, flat washer, square washer, etc. The nut code heading machine can be used as a nut for M2 to M16, and the automatic lathe can be used as a knurled nut and an inlay nut. High precision stamping machine. Progressive die can produce more than 0.1 mm. Single die can produce 3 to 5 mm thickness stamping parts. The machining center produces precision customized lathe parts. The tolerance requirements can be as small as 0.006 mm. The centering machine produces cylindrical lathe parts, and the CNC lathe can produce various precision custom lathe parts. We can provide you with various types of screws, gaskets, nuts, lathe parts, communication equipment hardware, precision stamping parts and other products. We are experts in non-standard fastener solutions, providing one-stop hardware assembly solutions. We have passed ISO 901, ISO14001, IATF16949 certification, and won the title of high-tech enterprise. All products are conform to REACH and ROHS standards. Our products are exported to more than 40 countries around the world, and we have established good cooperation with many well-known enterprises at home and abroad, such as Xiaomi, Huawei, CAS, Sony, etc. And our products are widely used in civic communications, aerospace, electric power, energy storage, new energy, security, consumer electronics, artificial intelligence, household appliances, auto parts, sports equipment, healthcare and other industries. We provide pre-sale, in-sale and after-sales service, and provide R&D services, technical support, product services and personalized customization services for fasteners. We adhere to the quality and service policy of quality first, customer satisfaction, continuous improvement and excellence, sincerely serve customers, strive to solve customer needs, and create more value for customers. Your satisfaction is the driving force for us to move forward.